I've seen this for the last 25 years, or for as long as I can remember, how my friends are pushing themselves towards their dreams, towards their goals. Some are still doing it to this day, and for some, they've just given up. It breaks my heart when I see how they live their lives, full of regret and full of negativity. They've given up. I had a chat not so long ago with one of my old friends, and he said, and I quote, "You have not only proved a lot of people wrong, but at the same time, you've showed them nothing is impossible. Your circumstances do not define you." And for a minute I actually paused just to reflect, and gratitude started to form my mind again. You haven't failed until you've given up. You see, life as we know it didn't promise us anything. And for some of us, we are living so deep in the past we cannot forgive, we cannot forget all the build-up and negativity that's keeping you right where you are mentally. And have somehow blinded you to see yourself beyond your current situation. And it's not too late. You will only lose when you give up. And you are definitely not about to give up. Study shows that if you do something long enough, you'll become an expert in it. More specific, it takes between 20,000 and 25,000 hours to become an expert or a master of a specific skill. That is roughly about 2 years. Now just imagine what will happen if you train your brain for the next 2 years not to give up, to push yourself towards your dreams and goals. You will become an expert in it, living a life of abundance. Same way, if you practice gratitude long enough, your whole life will light up and will give you the mental and social as well as the health benefits to living an abundant life. We give up too soon, hence why we're constantly repeating the same cycle over and over again. But you'll only fail if you give up. I've learned over the years to be happy and fulfilled has cost me absolutely nothing. It only took a little bit of focus and discipline. I mentioned this before, and only you have the power to change your circumstance. You are where you are today because of a decision that you made, and only you have the power to change that. You are only a failure when you give up. I mean, I have failed multiple times. I have failed so miserably. But I decided to pick myself up. Every time I failed, I pushed and I pushed and I picked myself up. And when I fail again, I just repeat the cycle. I pick myself up until I overcome. Failure is part of life. Failure is part of the struggle. It is what's going to determine your strength, but it's going to be up to you to allow it to keep you down. It's difficult, I know, especially when your back is against the wall. It's painful and it hurts. Hurts like hell, but you have to keep pushing through. For as long as you are breathing, no matter what the odds, you have to keep pushing, you have to keep moving. Remember, winter only comes once. It has to end. Fear equals failure, and fear is the ultimate cause of failure. Fear is the reason why you're still stuck in a dead-end job. Fear is the reason why everything around you is failing. Fear is the reason why you can't take the next step in your career. Fear is the reason why you're so miserable. Fear is what will kill you. Stop fearing and keep moving. You will only fail when you give up. But you are not about to give up. Not now, not ever. You have come this far, 10, 20 years of struggling. To give up now, not a chance. Your winter's about to end. Keep pushing, keep moving. Keep fighting. Because you are a winner. You are not about to give in. You are not about to give up. You are much stronger than you think you are. This is not just another motivational message, but I promise you, if you keep on going, if you keep believing that you are not defined by your current situation or your circumstance, you've already overcome. The moment you take the courage that nothing is going to hold you down and nothing is going to hold you back to reach your goals, to reach your dreams, you've already made it. So failing is not an option. Your failure will make you stronger. So don't give up.